Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video you will get valuable information about the Gandhi Jayanti. First of all, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Who does not know Mahatma Gandhi? But do you know why Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? If not, then today video is going to be full of information for you. You will get a lot of information about the Gandhi Jayanti and Gandhiji. Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday which is celebrated with joy and gaiety across the country on 2nd October. This day is celebrated to remember the father of our country, Mahatma Gandhi, on his birthday. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but most of people called him Bapuji or Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji's birthday is celebrated all over the world as a non-violence day because Gandhiji himself was a priest of non-violence. At the same time, he was also the man of peace and truth. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. 2nd October is the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, who was the Diwan of small princely state Porbandar of Katipura during the British Raj. His mother's name was Putli Bhai. In May 1883, as soon he is completed age of 13 and a half years, he married to Kasturba, 14 years old. Mohandas and Kasturba had 4 children, all of whom were sons. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 5 times. Mahatma Gandhi was responsible for civil rights movement in the 4 continents and 12 countries. From 1913 to 1938, he traveled about 79,000 km, which was roughly equated to the orbiting the earth twice. Mahatma Gandhi served in the army during the Boer War, but seeing the terrible picture of the war, he decided to raise his voice against the violence. In 1939, Gandhiji wrote a letter to request Hitler not to go war. But the letter never reached its recipient due to the intervention of the British Army. Steve Jobs was the fan of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji helped him establishing 3 football clubs during Durban, Pretoria, Johannesburg. All 3 clubs had the same name, PSU, Resist Soccer Club. 53 major roads of India and about 48 roads in the other part of the world are named of Mahatma Gandhi Road. On January 30, 1948, Gandhiji was shot dead by the person named Nathuram Godse while he was walking at night in the grounds of Birla House in New Delhi. He thought of dissolving the Congress day before his death. The funeral procession of the Mahatma Gandhi was 8 km long. Great Britain, the country against which Mahatma Gandhi fought for independence, issued a postage stamp in his honor 21 years after Gandhiji's death. Gandhiji had a strong coincide with the Friday. He was born on Friday. India got independence on Friday. Along with Gandhiji was also assassinated on the Friday. Gandhiji devoted his life to the wider search for truth. He tried to learn making his own mistake and experimenting on himself to achieve his goal. He named his autobiography The Experiment of the Truth. In his autobiography, The Story of My Experiment with Truth, Gandhiji described the philosophy and the path of his life. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a national festival. On this day, there is a public holiday in the government, semi-government offices, corporations and educational institutions. On this day of the Gandhi Jayanti, flowers garden are offered in the memory of Gandhiji at his Samadhi, and programs like Kirtan, sound of Raghupati Raja Ram, spinning wheels are organized. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a national holiday with the prayer meetings and paying tributes in the front of Gandhiji's statue at Raj Bhavan, New Delhi. Prayers are held in the presence of the President and the Prime Minister of India at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, where he was cremated. His most favorite and devotional song was Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is remembered in his memory. This day is also organized as an International Day for Non-Violence all over the world. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated a day before in the most of the schools. All these celebrations influence the principles of life that Gandhiji had laid down: discipline, peace, honesty, non-violence, and faith. Art, science exhibition, essay competition are organized on this day. Also, awards and honors are given for the promoting non-violence and peace. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.